Hi guys, welcome to the Listen channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this socket bearing exercise. Let's see the dimension for this part, and then let's make a mounting part now. From the Solidworks interface, click to the top plane and make it a normal 2. And then from the sketch, let's click to this line and click a midpoint line. Go to the option and make it a 4 construction, then start from this point. Make it horizontal, right click and click select. Let's give the smart dimension and set for this, and it is 76 mm. Then OK. Click to the circle, start from this point and make it circle. Click a smart dimension and set from this point to this point, and it is 70 for its distance, and OK. For the next part, let's make the bigger one. And then I want to make for construction and this function to make it a guideline. Right click and click select. Then click smart dimension. Let's make for this small circle, and it is 9 mm for diameter, and then OK. Apply. Press and hold the control button and then click to the circle and select for all inside circle, and then make it equal. For the next step, let's change for the bigger circle dimension to 28 mm, and then press and hold the control button, then select to the circle, click to all the bigger circle, and then from this add relation, click to equal. Let's connect for one to the other. Right click and click select. If you make, I hope you don't make for this sketch, escape, just delete. Click to this line, make it outer from the circle like this. Right click and select, press and hold the control button, then click to this line and this circle too. So there are this add relation and select tangen. Apply. Make it for this relation to this one, tangen. For the next step, let's mirror these entities. Go to the scene icon and mirror about this guideline. Entities to mirror, select this line and then apply. And then let's delete for the unnecessary line by from the sketch, go to trim entities, make sure time to close is selected, and then select. And then click the line. Let's connect from this point to this point. Right click and select. Let's delete from this unnecessary line too. And then go to header. Let's give the thickness from the sketch. Let's make 10 mm, then apply. For the next step, let's click to this surface and make it normal too. Zoom out, then go to the sketch right click to the surface and click to sketch. So there is the sketch for this model tree, and then go to the line, circle, and then click smart dimension for this small circle, set the diameter to 16 mm, and then for this bigger one, and it is 33 mm. Let's click to this line and to this origin distance, and it is 24 mm, and then click to this line, right click and click to this line, right click and select, delete, make sure they are connect, and then okay. Let's go to the feeder and then extrude was. Okay, make sure select contour, and then for the direction one, and I want to make it 22 mm, and then select this, circle 22, but check mark for direction 2, and it is 48 mm. So all for all the sketch length, and it is 70 mm, and then apply. Okay, you will see the preview like this, and then go to this toggle, click to the sketch and extrude was. Make sure blind is selected, and then click to this sketch, and then from this direction one, set for after surface, click to this surface and apply. Next, click to this surface, click sketch, click to the sketch and convert entities. So the sketch is moved for the surface, and then let's click a feeder and then extrude cut. Let's make for 54 mm. So, and then okay. Well, there are the information that fillets and rounds are 3 for radius. So let's go to feeder and then click a fillets. Let's make for 3. Then I want to choose to this. And then apply. If you want to change to isometric view, you can press and hold the Ctrl 7 combination. For the next step, and I want to change for this appearance. For the example, I want to choose to this color. let's maybe for this color, I guess, and then apply. If you want to change for the several surface color, click to this edit appearance, and then from this selected geometry, right click and delete. Click to this icon. For the example, I want to choose this color and then click. Notes, you can make your own color. I just make for the example. This is the optional. If you want to move this object from this interface, press and hold the control button, then click a middle mouse button, then drag. Okay. Apply. Ctrl 7 to change for the isometric view. Well, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. If you want to find the similar tutorial, you can check my playlist, and see you for the next video.